GroupBy pandas DataFrame and select most common value. I have a data frame with 3 string columns. I know that the only one value in the third column is valid for every combination of the first 2. To clean the data, I have to group by data frame by first 2 columns and select most common value of the third column for each combination. My code. Last line of code doesn't work. It says key error short name, and if I try to group only by city, then I got an assertion error. What can I do fix it?
You can use value_counts to get a count series, and get the first row.
In case you are wondering about performing other ag functions in the .ag, try this.
Pandas is greater than or equal to 0.16. PD, varies.mode is available. Use groupby.ag and apply the PD, series.mode function to each group. If this is needed as a data frame, use The useful thing about series.mode is that it always returns a series, making it very compatible with ag and apply, especially when reconstructing the GroupBy output. It is also faster. Dealing with multiple modes. Series.mode also does a good job when there are multiple modes. Or, if you want a separate row for each mode, you can use groupby.apply. If you don't care which mode is returned as long as it's either one of them, then you will need a lambda that calls mode and extracts the first result. Alternatives to not consider. You can also use statistics.mode from Python, but it does not work well when having to deal with multiple modes. A statistics error is raised. This is mentioned in the docs. If data is empty, or if there is not exactly one most common value, statistics error is raised. But you can see for yourself.
A little late to the game here, but I was running into some performance issues with Haydns' solution, so I had to come up with another one. It works by finding the frequency of each key value, and then, for each key, only keeping the value that appears with it most often. There's also an additional solution that supports multiple modes. On a scale test that's representative of the data I'm working with, this reduced runtime from 37.4s to 0s.5s. Here's the code for the solution, some example usage, and the scale test. Running this code will print something like Hope this helps.
For ag, the lambda function gets a series, which does not have a short name attribute. Stats.mode returns a tuple of two arrays, so you have to take the first element of the first array in this tuple. With these two symbols, changement returns
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.